marketplace missions. We've all done them, and if you haven't, well, I'm here to tell you that go and treat yourself. Go and buy that box that you found. Today's no different. My mate Geordie found a car and said, hey, this would be pretty cool with a 5VZ, because Geordie likes weird Toyota V6s.
Less common things.
So I said, not if I buy it first. So we're just pulling up to a servo because we need to get some fuel, and we're gonna go check out this car. It does run, but it runs rough apparently. So we're gonna also stop in at Supercheap Auto, get some supplies, and then we've got an hour drive to go check out the car. We're also gonna go pick up the trailer, so we'll go and see Al and maybe get his opinion too on making a bad decision. So, yeehaw.
Let's do it.
Let's go buy a new project car. Might be a bit of a clue as to what we're picking up. Bit of diesel in the Jerry.
Must be a 4B.
Must be a 4B, four-wheel drive. So because it doesn't start, one thing we do want to get is some of, oh no, what's that? Shifter.
Shifty bastard.
Where's start? Here we go.
Expanding.
Some of this stuff, which will help it start. And we also need some lengths of hose because we're going to try and prime the fuel system manually. So I'll grab a length of this. I don't know what size barbs on the pump. I'm guessing it's going to be around 8 mil, but yeah, so there's quarter or 6 mil or 5/16, 8 mil. We'll get some of that, get some lengths of that. What else do we need, Geordie?
Jump pack you've got.
Got a jump pack, got a Jerry.
Jerry.
Maybe some brake clean.
Brake clean.
I don't have a torch either. I know I'll get a torch. Phone. Oh, here we go. My man. Sweet.
Always keep it handy.
He come prepared. Thank you, sir. Cheers.
No worries at all.
Crisscross. Bad boy. So I just picked up the trailer. What do you reckon, Alan? Am I making a bad decision or not?
Don't you have enough old box Japanese 80s?
Don't give it away. Don't give it away. Diesel, brother. Diesel.
Sweet, you can go up the beach.
Surely it's not a bad buy, eh?
Seems reasonable.
All right. Another question for you. Can I stash it here?
You're hilarious.
It's the big Corona bucket. I've arrived. One hell of a driveway, that's for sure. One hell of a mission to get out of here too. I'm just gonna suss out to see if our mate's okay with me filming out here too, so give us a second. So Dennis has given me permission to film. It's under a car cover. What do you reckon, Geordie?
So far, so good. Bit chalky.
Here it is in all its glory. LX80 Toyota Cresta. Very, very chalky. The photos on Marketplace were a lot different. And we stopped by the servo to get some diesel because it's powered by a 2LT. So TLTE, same engine what's in kind of like a Hilux Surf. So a bit temperamental and let's be honest, very slow and crap, but could make for a cool cruiser. As per usual, the photos in Marketplace, you don't see the rust beneath the boot, and it's pretty bad. And that's all the way through, eh? Even underneath. Oh yeah. Oh, what's that? Is that the air purifier? This thing here. It's to keep the durry stench out. Oh, it's even all on the boot lip here.
Is that?
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, get into it, Dennis. Hook in. That's not bad, you reckon, mate?
That's not bad.
Come on.
Alright, well, if you don't want to buy that one, buy this one.
What's he got over here? Marketplace missions. Oh, geez. Here we go. Nah, I can't afford this. I can't afford this. How much you after for a dentist? I'll give you a shout out online.
75,000.
75 grand. Nah, no thanks.
Look at that dashboard.
I only bought... Let's not get distracted now, Geordie. This is beautiful, mate. All right, if anyone's after a... What even is this? Chevy 48 Fleetline. Let me know. I'll send you the details of Dennis. All right, back to the Cresta. Let's suss this out more. Do you want to try and get it running, Geordie?
Oh, yeah, we can do that.
Be a good thing to tick off the list. The rust I'm
To know if it is a, a future problem or not.
worried about, but
You can always bodge that to some degree, but,
bodge
if this is cactus, then...
one thing that it does have going for it is nice interior, which is a good thing. Oh, that burgundy velour. Oh, I love me an old Toyota. This is the best. So pretty well, you can kind of compare this to a MX-83 Cresta. So they do share a lot of parts, both trim-wise and body-wise. So if you do missing some parts, geez, it actually is really clean. Probably be, yeah, there's a fair bit going on. Rust down the bottom. But solid axle in the, I think in the GX81s also, definitely the LX81s had solid axle. And it looks to be, it looks even smaller than an F-Series diff. So I don't even know. That looks tiny as. It's definitely not like Hilux, it's definitely not G-Series.
Yeah.
It's a bit slow, eh?
It's a bit slow. The primer's jammed up.
Did you get some starchy mustard in there?
Right here. Get some on it.
What's your thoughts, Geordie?
How enthusiastic are we today?
Yeah, not the right price, eh?
Price is everything, I guess. Unless it's not worth its weight in scrap metal, but yeah, I guess that's something we'll need to discuss.
What do you reckon, Chook? It turns out someone didn't charge the jump pack, so we'll just pull the Padge one out. Going, how's your back? You feeling strong today?
No choice.
Go on, muscles. Hoo-yah!
That's not nice. It's diesel. Nothing but barnacles in there.
Oh, don't turn that on.
Those belts need adjusting.
Oh, they're a bit sloppy, eh? That aircon didn't cycle then, did it? No. jigger on the
primer.
Yeah. So this really does have a tidy interior. It does have, this is what it's got going for it. It is nice on the inside. Like pretty well, I'd say almost that it's immaculate. Like it's really clean, but needs a paint job. Needs some work done to the engine, tail light. Yeah. So I'd probably say that it's either got like the filter is either sucking air or the pump isn't just up to it. So you can probably fix that with a prime pump on it or something too. But again, asthmatic old 2L, very slow, probably not worth it all that much. Stuff like, yeah, the headlight's all rusty, so there's been a ding on this side somewhere, so the bumper needs fixing up. It really is too much of a project, I think, for me to take on, but
I would concur with that.
what do you reckon?
No, I agree.
Don't even want to go halves with me?
Oh, don't do this.
Oh, nah.
If we do that, it's getting a 5EZ.
A 5EZ. Yeah, Dennis, I'm going to say no, sorry, mate.
Yeah, that's all right.
Thanks. Thanks for your time, mate. I do appreciate it. But I think it's too much for me. Oh, we'll pack this bad boy up. Didn't need any tools. That's done. What do you reckon, old mate? Should I buy that car or what? Oh, he's saying yes up there. You reckon that was a no? It's not quite the outcome that I was after. I did get my hopes up with that car. I was really excited. The photos on Marketplace, the car looked really clean, and it was the kind of project that I assumed that I could just buy it, throw a set of wheels on, and then away I go. But unfortunately, it needs a lot of work. It needs paint. There's like it needs a headlight, tail light, the rust repairs. Wait, am I meant to go right here? Is that where I'm going?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's take a wing at that. Yeah, it's not the car. It's not the car for me. I don't want to take on that big of a project. So we're coming home with an empty car trailer, but an empty car trailer means I've still got a big wad of cash. So I have got my eye on something else. So stay tuned. Let's go and suss that out. Whoa, 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 ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere. The show's not over. Look at this gem on the side of the road. Is it? It's an old taxi, isn't it? Yeah, it is.
I think so.
As is complete. Runs and drives. Look at this thing. Old diesel, mate. Got that Jerry there.
Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Unreal.
That's a project. Man, could you imagine having this thing with like a big block and cruising around Summernuts?
Is there room in that bay for one?
Well, surely. There's room in everything for something. It's been a couple of months since Geordie and myself went and looked at that Cresta, and I've been waiting for something to pop up on Marketplace. Nothing really has tickled my fancy. Geordie and I have been sending cars to each other, as well as a lot of other mates, and I know that's a regular occurrence. Something pops up in the group chat that you may be interested in. I've also come to the conclusion that right now, financially, I shouldn't be buying a car, but I am a car nut, and something's popped up that I just don't want to let slip. It's one of those deals where it's just a good deal, and I don't want to lose out on it. And it's one of those cars that if I know I'll lose it, I'll be really annoyed with myself. So I'm in the car, just going through Deception Bay. I'm meeting old mate at Bunnings, and pro tip, this guy is a mate and he's actually meeting me halfway. But pro tip, if you are doing a deal on Marketplace, I learned this one from Sebi. If you're gonna meet halfway, tell the guy that you live a little bit further away. Oh, sorry mate, I'm coming all the way from bloody Tyro. I'll meet you halfway in Nambour. How about that? So it always works out well. You can work it in your favour. But Jared, the guy I'm meeting up with now, he's a mate and he's doing me a favour, meeting me halfway. So very stoked. Thank you, mate. Let's go check out my new car. Oh! I'll admit I am a Toyota weirdo, and I suppose my search history just consists of Toyota, so Marketplace will show me shitty old Toyotas, and this is what I've come across. I don't need another Crown, but I do love them, and this is actually not the car I'm buying. I'm actually buying this one over here, the JZS 155 Majesta. This thing, hang on, I'll just go film the boys first.
How you going?
What's going on?
Bit of Crown morning.
Matt and Jared, how are you, man? What's going on?
Bad, man.
So tell me a bit about this car. What's going on with it?
So, being in the business I am slightly impulsive when it comes to buying cars.
Yes.
And this is how this one happened.
Okay.
Same scenario. Did I need another Crown? No. But I got one.
Is your name Woody?
It might be.
So this thing is a Majesta. The Majestas have a V8, but the thing about this thing is actually got a 2JZ GE. So it's quite clean for what it is, and it is an old car. It's got a fair few Ks on it, but it's one of those deals I can't miss out on. So give it a little love. There, here we go. So this is what I'm excited about, and I actually thought it was a 1JZ, but it's got the big block. It has got the skinny rods though, eh?
Ooh, that's a question for other.
Is it a skinny rod?
I don't think it's got the
I'd have to
Yeah.
other Ben for that.
Because there was a version where the VBTIs had thick rods, eh?
I think it's the 151s with
151.
Yeah, because it's a 155, isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
All right, so this is a new car, and I'm excited to get it looking, I don't know, wheels, maybe a turbo kit. It's got a few little blemishes. The boot needs to get painted, but really that's about it, I think. It's
It's only a set of Simmons away from.
only a set of
Looking like it's going to blend into Logan. You know?
only a set of Simmons away for blending in at Logan, you say? No, I've got some wheels at home I think would fit well. I'm assuming that the general 9-inch POS 20 Toyota, the Toyota method should work. So
Look, I'm fairly sure you've had that on a set of other Crowns over the years.
anything that fits a Skyline perfectly would fit this even better.
yeah, sweet, perfect. So the JZS 155 is coming home with me. Again, I don't need a car, I just want a car, and it's too good of a deal to let pass. So Jared's met me halfway, probably more than halfway. I think you've driven further, to be honest. So
Yeah, but
and the two of them have driven. So these legends have done me a favour and gonna load the Crown onto the trailer. But while we're here, let's check out. I'm just a Crown guy at heart.
Look, what's in here?
Surely you're gonna hoax me. It's just gonna be like a built JZ and oh yeah, wow.
We are a picture of disappointment.
This
sir.
is absolutely.
So single cam.
Single cam.
This is terrible. What this is.
Non-cross flow.
I just can't accept defeat every time
This-
it blows
this
up.
is the
Just
same
keep
engine.
fixing it, eh?
Same engine
Dead
that was
set.
in this.
Oh,
yeah, it was the engine that was in the
Cresta,
Cresta.
yeah.
It was. That's right.
Yeah, and we've just persisted with this.
Except this one wasn't put in the bin.
Yes. Well, I'm going to wrap it up there, checking out some Crowns. Basically an episode of shitty old Toyotas. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some updates on the sedan when I get around to it.
The Crown factory.
The Crown factory it is. It's the Marketplace factory today. So gonna load that on the trailer and then get back to the shed and I don't know, suss this thing out, put some wheels on it and get back to you with, I'm gonna say maybe a turbo kit, but I think it's definitely on the cards, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for some more Skid Factory content. See you later.